Hello, my dear learners. Welcome back to English Mastery with Motivation. I'm really glad you're here today. Truly. I know you could be doing 100 other things right now, but you chose to invest in yourself, in your English, and in your growth. That means something. And if you're joining us for the very first time, consider yourself part of this big learning family. We're all here to get better together. Today's lesson is one of those lessons that can actually change the way you learn forever. Not in a dramatic, unrealistic way, but in a real, everyday way that helps you grow faster, speak more naturally, and feel more confident every single time you open your mouth to speak English. So settle in, take a deep breath, and let's walk this path step by step, side by side. Let me ask you something honestly. Have you ever felt stuck with English? Like you've been learning for months, maybe even years, but your speaking still doesn't feel the way you want it to? You understand movies, videos, and conversations, but when it's your turn to speak, your mind freezes. Or maybe you learn a new word today, and tomorrow it disappears like it never existed. You're not alone. Every learner, even the most advanced ones, has felt this frustration. But here's the ultra truth that most people don't tell you. English isn't hard. What's hard is staying consistent. What's hard is believing that a small effort can create big results. What's hard is trusting the process when progress feels slow. But the good news? If you give English even a little bit of your time every single day, your improvement becomes unstoppable. You don't need to study for hours. You just need daily touch. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in a way that feels simple, natural, and doable, even on your busiest days. Our topic today is powerful, practical, and honestly, life-changing if you follow it. Daily practice leads to fast improvement. But what does that really mean? When you engage with English every day, even for a few minutes, your brain stays warm. It stays active. It stays connected to the language. It's like watering a plant. You don't pour an entire bucket of water once a week. You give it a little every day. And suddenly, one morning, you look at it and realize it's grown. This daily method works for absolutely everyone. Whether you're A1 and just starting to build simple sentences, or B2 and trying to speak confidently and smoothly, daily practice builds natural fluency that lasts. Today, I'm going to give you real, practical techniques that thousands of learners have used to make fast progress. Simple routines you can start today, clear steps that work, and powerful strategies that will help you speak with confidence and think in English more easily. Let's talk about why daily practice is such a game changer. Your brain learns through repetition. And repetition doesn't mean hours of effort. It means short, frequent contact. When you hear a word again and again, it stops being a new word. It becomes familiar, comfortable, automatic. When you speak regularly, no matter how simple your sentences are, your tongue becomes more flexible. Your brain stops translating. Your ideas begin to flow. Your confidence rises naturally. You don't force it. It just grows. When you read and listen every day, your brain starts building an English environment inside you. You don't even notice it at first. But one day, while listening or reading, you realize you're understanding without effort. Here's the beautiful truth. When English becomes part of your daily life, it stops feeling like homework. It becomes a habit, a natural part of your day. And that's when fast progress happens. Not because you're studying harder, but because you're learning smarter. Daily repetition creates a kind of magic. Small steps that don't feel big individually, but when combined over weeks and months, they create the fluency you've been dreaming of. And the best part? You are capable of that. More than you know. Now, let's build your daily English routine step by step in a way that feels so simple and natural that you can't help but grow. These aren't big, dramatic habits. They're small, daily actions that quietly change everything over time. Think of them like small drops of water. One drop doesn't do much, but drop after drop after drop, that's how you fill an entire bucket. The first habit is what I call the 5-minute vocabulary habit. 5 minutes. That's it. Every day, choose 3 to 5 new words. Read them slowly. Say them out loud like you're tasting the sound of each word. Then, use each word in a simple sentence. Not a perfect sentence, a simple one. Your brain loves simplicity. And here's the real truth. Most learners try to memorize too many words at once, and that's why they forget them. But 3 to 5 words a day? That's 90 to 150 new words every month. Learning becomes light, remembering becomes easy, and the progress is real. The second habit is daily micro-listening. This isn't about watching a long podcast or a full movie. This is about giving your ears tiny English snacks every day. 2 minutes of listening. That's all you need. A mini story, a short motivational clip, a few lines from an English video. Your brain loves patterns. When it hears English every day, even in small amounts, it starts understanding faster without effort. You don't even realize it's happening. One day, suddenly, you're watching a video and thinking, "Wait, I understood that whole thing." That's the power of micro-listening. The third habit is one of my favorites, the shadowing technique. Shadowing is like borrowing the voice of a native speaker for a moment. You play one sentence of audio, pause it, and repeat it exactly as you hear it. You copy the rhythm, the tone, the emotion, the speed. You're not just learning English, you're training your mouth to speak English. Even 1 minute of shadowing a day can transform your pronunciation and speaking confidence. Try it for a week. You'll hear the difference. The fourth habit is writing 10 simple lines in your journal. I know writing can feel intimidating, but listen, this isn't a school assignment. No teacher is waiting to correct you. This is your space, your thoughts, your life. Write about your day. Write about how you feel. Write about your plans or dreams. When you write your thoughts in English, you start understanding your own mind in English. Your grammar gets cleaner. Your ideas get clearer. Writing builds your inner English voice. The fifth habit is speaking to yourself. And yes, it might feel funny at first, but trust me, it works. Think out loud in English. Say what you're doing. I'm getting ready. I'm making breakfast. I'm cleaning my room. Or say what you're thinking. I'm feeling tired today. I want to learn something new. This habit builds automatic speaking skills. When you speak to yourself, there's no fear, no judgment. It's just you. This is how confidence grows, privately, quietly, consistently. The sixth habit is using English in daily life. Not by studying, but by living. Change your phone language to English. Read signs, menus, product labels, anything around you. Let English enter your daily world. These small exposures add up. Your brain starts recognizing words everywhere. English stops being a subject and becomes simply part of how you move through the day. The seventh habit is short reading bursts. Read one short paragraph every day. A story, an inspirational quote, a short article, a message, a few lines of fiction, anything. Reading feeds your imagination. It builds vocabulary without pressure, and it teaches you sentence structure naturally. You start understanding how English flows. Plus, reading just feels good. It connects you to ideas and worlds beyond your own. Let's make this routine even clearer with real examples, because every learner's journey is different. If you're at an A1 or A2 level, your routine can be beautifully simple. Learn 3 new words a day. Listen to a 1-minute audio clip. Shadow just one small sentence, something like, "I am learning English today." Write 3 short lines about your day, even if they're basic. And speak your thoughts out loud in simple forms. I am cooking. I feel happy. I am going to study now. These small actions build your foundation. You're not trying to be perfect, you're building strength piece by piece. If you're at a B1 or B2 level, your routine can be a little stronger, a little deeper. Learn 5 to 7 new words. Listen to a 2-minute story or podcast clip. Shadow 2 or 3 sentences, especially those with rhythm or emotion. Write 10 lines in your journal. Describe your thoughts, reflect on your goals, or tell a short story. And speak out loud with more detail. I think I can improve faster if I stay consistent. I feel more confident when I practice every morning. These actions build fluency. They shape your speaking voice. They help you move from understanding English to expressing yourself clearly and naturally. No matter your level, these daily habits are your pathway. They are small, but they are powerful. And if you follow them every day, even when you're tired, even when you're busy, even when life feels heavy, your English will grow in ways that surprise you. Let me give you a moment of truth here. Most people don't fail because they're not smart enough. They don't fail because English is too hard. They fail because they stop showing up. They stop trying. They forget that improvement is built in tiny pieces, in small moments, in these short bursts of daily practice. But you're here. You're showing up. And that means something. Every minute you give to English is shaping your future self. You may not see the growth every day, but trust me, it's happening. Learning a language is like watching a tree grow. On most days, you don't notice any change. But come back after a few weeks, and suddenly the branches are fuller, the roots are stronger, and the whole thing is standing taller. You don't need hours of study. You just need presence, consistency, a promise to yourself that even on the hard days you will give English 5 minutes, or 2 minutes, or even just 1 minute. Little steps create big results, and you are already on the right path. Now, let's learn 10 powerful words that will support your daily English journey. I'll give you the part of speech, the real meaning in a single clear line, and one natural real-life example that sounds like something a native speaker would actually say. 1. Routine. Routine means the set of actions you do regularly, usually in the same order. Example: my morning routine always begins with 10 minutes of English, even before I check my phone. 2. Consistent. Consistent means doing something again and again without giving up. Example: when I stay consistent with my daily practice, I feel my English getting smoother. 3. Focus. Focus means to give your full attention to something. Example: when I listen to an English podcast, I focus on understanding the feeling of the sentence, not just every single word. 4. Progress. Progress means the improvement you make over time. Example: I didn't notice it at first, but after 2 weeks, my progress became impossible to ignore. 5. Practice. Practice means to repeat an activity regularly so you become better at it. Example: I practice speaking every night, even if it's just talking to myself in simple sentences. 6. Shadow. Shadow means to listen to a native speaker and copy their speech exactly, like an echo. Example: I shadowed a short podcast clip today, and it helped me sound more natural. 7. Journal. Journal means a personal notebook where you write your thoughts, ideas, or daily experiences. Example: at the end of each day, I write a few honest lines in my journal to track how I'm growing. 8. Repeat. Repeat means to do or say something again. Example: I repeat new words during the day so they stay fresh in my mind. 9. Improve. Improve means to become better over time. Example: I improve little by little every day, and that makes me proud of myself. 10. Fluent. Fluent means able to speak smoothly and naturally without stopping. Example: my dream is to feel fluent when I speak English, and daily practice is taking me there step by step. Here are 5 affirmations that are simple but incredibly powerful when you say them with belief. I improve a little every day. English is becoming easier for me. My confidence grows every time I practice. I enjoy learning English. Daily practice makes me strong and fluent. Let's take a quick breath and recap what truly matters. Every day, learn a few new words. Listen to something short. Shadow a sentence. Write a few honest lines in your journal. Speak to yourself without fear. Use English in small moments of daily life. Read even a tiny paragraph. These habits may feel small, but small does not mean weak. These habits create powerful change, and if you follow them daily, English will become not just a skill you're learning, but a part of who you are. Daily practice builds fast improvement, and you deserve that improvement. If today's lesson helped you, I would love for you to subscribe to English Mastery with Motivation. Your support truly helps this channel grow, and it helps us reach more learners who need motivation and guidance just like you. Like the video, leave a comment, and share your daily English routine with our learning family. Together, we're building a community where learning feels possible, hopeful, and powerful. And before you go, remember this truth. Your English journey is also your personal growth journey. Every small effort you make is shaping a stronger, more confident version of you. Keep believing, keep practicing, and keep moving forward. I'm here with you every day. Subscribe for more life-changing English lessons. And to help you practice, I've included a free PDF guide of this topic. Find the download link in the description below. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep shining. You've got this.